The sides of a parallelogram are 8 centimeter and 15 centimeter. Angles are 70 degrees and 110 degrees. By using this data, we are going to find the diagonals of a parallelogram. Diagonal is nothing but the line segment joining the non-consecutive vertices. So, in this parallelogram ABCD, A and C are called as non-consecutive vertices. So, join AC, which is diagonal of the parallelogram. Similarly, BD is also one of the diagonals of a parallelogram. Let us find length of AC and length of BD. Now, take the triangle ABC here separately. In this triangle ABC, this is the triangle ABC we have. In this triangle ABC, the measure of AB is 8 centimeter and BC length is equal to 15 centimeter. Angle B is equal to 110 degrees. Now we have to find the length of the diagonal AC. For finding this, we are going to use cosine rule. There in the triangle, suppose a triangle ABC is given. In this triangle ABC, the sides we can represent by using lowercase letters. Side opposite to vertex A is small a. Side opposite to vertex B is small b. Side opposite to vertex C is small c. Then, suppose we are going to find the measure of A, we can apply that A square is equal to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A. In this triangle ABC, we can apply cosine rule. A square is equal to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A. And B square is equal to C square plus A square minus 2CA cos B. C square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos C. So this is called as a cosine rule. Now, coming to the triangle ABC. In this triangle ABC, we are going to find the measure of AC. So apply cosine rule. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, AB square plus BC square minus 2 into AB into BC into cos B, which is equal to the measure of AB square. AB is 8. So AB square is 8 square plus BC square is 15 square minus 2 into 8 into 15 cos 110 degrees. Cos 110 degrees. Then 8 square is 64 plus 15 square is 225 minus 2 into 8 into 15. It is 2 into 15 is 30. 30 into 8 is 240 into cos 110 degrees. We can find cos 110 degrees by using calculator. So cos 110 degrees value is equal to minus 0.34. It is a minus 0.34 because cos 110 degrees is in the second quadrant. In second quadrant, cos is negative. So cos 110 degrees value is minus 0.34. Now it becomes 289 minus 240 into minus becomes a plus 0.34. Now I will calculate this value here. This becomes 289 plus 240 into 0.34. 240 into 0.34 value is equal to 81.6. This becomes 289 plus 81.6. We can find here it is 289, which is equal to 370.6. So here AC square is equal to 370.6. Measure of AC is equal to root of 370.6. Now square root of 370.6 is equal to 19.25 centimeter. This is 19.25 centimeter length of the diagonal AC. We can find the diagonal BD also. So for finding the diagonal BD, Let us find the measure of the diagonal BD also. We have taken in this parallelogram ABCD. Here it is 70 degrees. Now this is 70. This is 110 degrees. Here it is 110. This is 70 degrees. For finding the measure of BD, let us take the triangle ABD. In this triangle ABD, our triangle ABD will be like this. ABD, the measure of AB is 8 centimeter and AD is 15 centimeter and angle A measure is equal to 70 degrees. Now we have to find the diagonal BD of the quadrilateral again by using cosine rule. So BD square is equal to AB square plus AD square, AB square plus AD square minus 2 into AB into AD into cos A. Cosine rule. So AB square is 8 square plus AD square, which is equal to 15 square, minus 2 into AB is 8 into AD is 15 into cos 70 degrees. Now it is 64 plus 15 square is 225 minus 2 into 8 into 15. This becomes 240 into cos 70 degrees we can find by using the calculator. So cos 70 degrees is equal to 0.34. Then again it is 64 plus 225. In place of 64 plus 225, we can write 289 minus 240 into 0.34. It is 81.6. So 289 minus 81.6, that value is equal to 207.4. So BD square is equal to 207.4. This difference 289 minus 81.6 is equal to 207.4. So the measure of BD is equal to root of 207.4. We can find root of 207.4, which is equal to root of 207.4 square root is equal to 14.4 centimeter. Actually, by using, we know that in a triangle, if two angles are unequal, the side opposite to greater angle is longer than the side opposite to the smaller angle. So here 70 degrees and 110 degrees, two different angles we have in the parallelogram. Definitely the side opposite to 70 degrees is shorter than the side opposite to 110 degrees. But according to the question, they asked you find the shortest diagonal. Shortest diagonal is the side opposite to 70 degrees. So in this diagram, side opposite to 70 degrees, nothing but the diagonal BD. So the diagonal BD measure is equal to 14.4 centimeter. Thank you so much.